As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Solana cost will hit $200 by the center of 2024 and afterward $300 toward the finish of 2025. Solana will ascend to $400 inside the extended period of 2026 and $500 in 2028. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $126.32, so the cost expanded by 24% from the outset of the year. The determined Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $247, and the year-to-year change plus 142%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 96%. In 2024, we hope to see $170 per 1 Solana. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $321. In the final part, the cost would add $72 and close the year at $393, which is plus 211% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $393 to $471, which is up 20%. Solana will begin 2026 at $393, then, at that point, dip to $354 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $403. That implies plus 219% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $471 to $746, which is plus 58%. Solana will begin 2031 at $471, then, at that point, take off to $499 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $527. It is about plus 317% from today. It's 4152 into 4. Solana value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $147.55. So the cost expanded by 45% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $300 and the year-to-year change plus 194%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 103% in 2024. We hope to see $230 per 1 Solana. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $391. In the last part, the cost would add $89 and close the year at $480, which is plus 225% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $480 to $689, which is up 44%. Solana will begin 2026 at $480. Then take off to $502 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $523. That implies plus 254% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $689 to $888, which is plus 29%. Solana will begin 2031 at $689, then, at that point, dip to $647 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $684. It is about plus 364% from today. Sforza 1204. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $199.23, so the cost expanded by 95% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $496 and the year-to-year change plus 387%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 149%. In 2024, we hope to see $380 per 1 Solana. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $646. In the final part, the cost would add $146 and close the year at $792. Which is plus 298% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $792 to $135, which is up 43%. Solana will begin 2026 at $792, then, at that point, take off to $829 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $864. That implies plus 334% from today. Solana expectation 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $1,135 to $1,461, which is plus 29%. Solana will begin 2031 at $1,135, then, at that point, dip to $1,066 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,126. It is about plus 465% from today. 315204. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $176.97, so the cost expanded by 74% from the start of the year. The Guaj Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $650, and the year-to-year change plus 538%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 267%. In 2024, we hope to see $399 per 1 Solana. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $9.22. In the final part, the cost would lose $92 and close the year at $830, which is plus 369% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $830 to $1,409, which is up 70%. Solana will begin 2026 at $830. Then take off to $946 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $930. That implies plus 425% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $1,409 to $2,554, which is plus 81%. Solana will begin 2031 at $1,409, then, at that point, take off to $1,527 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,647. It is about plus 831% from today. The 3s are 1224. Solana value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $134.80. So the cost expanded by 32% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $495 and the year-to-year change plus 386%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 267%. In 2024, we hope to see $304 per 1 Solana. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $702. In the final part, the cost would lose $70 and close the year at $632, which is plus 369% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $632 to $172, which is up 70%. Solana will begin 2026